Hello everyone. Now chapter 6 Algebraic Expression worksheet 1 and question 1. Question 1 is find the product. Product means multiplication. So let's go for this question. These are two terms over here. So multiply these two terms together, combine them together, and these are having the same base, but it is in the multiplication form. So if it is in the same base, so use the exponent. So now we will be using the concept 9 into 2, 18, and x power. It is in the multiplication form, so we will add the powers. So the answer would be 18x power 7. So we have used the exponent concept. Same thing we will be doing it here. So minus 6 multiply 5 and a power 2 multiply a power 7. So multiply them together, minus 6 multiply 5 minus 30, and add the powers together. So this would come as minus 30 a power 9. Since it is in the multiplication, so by using the exponent concept, the power will get added up. Similarly, we will be doing the third part, minus 8 multiply minus 4 and y power 9 multiply y power 3. So minus minus will become plus, so plus 32, and we will add the powers. So it will become 32 y power 12. Now question number 2. In question 2, again you have to multiply the monomials. Monomials means one term. So let's go for this question. So take these two numbers together. So multiply them together, and these are the same variable. So here you will add the power. Add the power of the same variable p power. Here it is 1. So 1 plus 2, this power is 2. Similarly, take the second variable q and add the power. Power 1 plus 3. So now multiply upper with upper. So 28 upon 3 and p power 3, q power 4 would be the answer. In second part, again we will be multiplying these two numbers together. So it will become 12 multiply minus 3, and same procedure we will be following it, a power 2 and here it is power 7. So add them together. Similarly, b power 6 plus 4, this is power 4, and c power 8 plus 3. So why we are adding it? Since it is in the multiplication form, and in multiplication power will get added up. So a minus 36, a power 9, b power 10 and c power 11 will be the answer. Same procedure for the third part, 2 by 5 multiply 5 by 3 and x power. Here x power is 4 and here x power is 3. So we will add these power together. Remember, same variable powers will get added up. So 1 plus 2, y power 1 plus 2 and z power 2 will remain as it is, because in this monomial there is no z. Now this would be cancelled out. So after cancelling it, so you will get 2 by 3, x power 7, y power 3 and z power 2 as a answer. Now question number 3. In question 3, again same steps you have to follow it as you did it in question 2, but here the terms are 3 terms. Separate 3 terms means you have to multiply all the monomials, means more than 2 terms over here, and same procedure we will be following it. Multiply the numbers and add the powers. So multiply, so it would become minus 60 x power 9 as the answer. Similarly, what we will do it in second part? In second part, what will you do? You will take these numbers together, 1.2 here, 1.2 multiply 5 multiply 1.1, and now you will take the variables and add the variables here. The power of a is 1, so we will take 1, and power is 5, so plus 5. Now let's go for B. In B, power is, what is the power? Power is 2 plus 4 plus, here it is 1. Now similarly we will go for the C. C power 2 plus 7. Here the power of C is not there, or we can say the variable C is not there, so we will not go further. Now multiply these three terms together. So 1.2 multiply 5 multiply 1.1. So you would be getting it as 6.6. Now a power 2 plus 1 plus 5. So it will become 8. B power 7 and C power 9 as a answer. Now let's go for the third part. So take all these numbers together in the multiplication form. So 3 by 4 multiply 1 by 2 multiply minus 5 multiply minus 6. Now the remaining procedure is same. Powers will get added up, but remember, same variable power you will take it together. So p power 1 and here p power 2. Now go for the Q. Q power 1. Here is also 1 plus 1. Now go for R. R power 2 plus 3 plus 5. Now if you will see, these terms would be cancelled out. 2 and this will be cancelled out. Now we will go for the multiply the upper terms together. So 3 multiply minus 5, 15, 15 multiply minus 3, that is plus 45. Minus minus will become plus. So 45 upon 4 and p power 3, q power 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 1, 2 and r power 10. So this will be the answer of third part. I hope all these three questions are clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.